For making HTML pages or understand the HTML, we need to know some basic uh, content or basic element. So who are those? That is World Wide Web. What is World Wide Web? We know maximum URL. URL. I'll tell you what is URL. When I search any content in Google, some one text box or one search box is there. On this search box, some content or some URL is there coming. HTTPS www dot dot dot. So what is triple W? Triple W is the sense is a system for displaying the text. It is a one type of system that displaying the text, graphics, audio and video etc. So after World Wide Web, go to new website. So we need to know what is website. Website is a collection of web pages which are grouped together as usually connected together is various ways like hyperlinks, buttons, etc. And it creates first impression of your business. Business means if you want to grow up in a business, normal business, high level business. So making a website nowadays, without any website you can't do anything, because maximum user you search you by only for website. So if you want to know any actor, any language, that which language is better now in 2021, how you search? By Google, right? So on this Google, maximum website is coming. Greek for Geeks, Tutorials Point, maximum website is coming. So those website is doing? Website is doing help the user to understand those things. So this creates fast impression of your business, and this website can bring the business from any part of the world. And because why? Website in the sense this collect information from all over the world. Okay, this world collect on information and input in the website, and this website bring business from any part of the world. So after that, what is URL? I already tell you that what is triple W. And here if we search facebook.com, so some URL is coming. So they do not URL in the sense resource locator, uniform resource locator. HTTP is a protocol, hypertext transfer protocol. It is the full form of HTTP. Triple W is the subdomain of the URL. URL in the sense a locator to locate the resources. Facebook.com, if we search in a Facebook, so some URL is coming, www.facebook.com. .com is the commercial site, that is one type of top level domain, that is short from is TLD. And Facebook is the domain name. Okay, domain in the sense you make a company. On this company you have to choose a name. So what is the name of this company? That is called Facebook. That is the main domain of the URL. So it is the URL. URL is the sense locate the resources. A URL is the address of given unique resource of the web. A URL, I already tell you what is URL. URL is the address or reference or resources of any unique of the web. So now I go to HTML. So welcome to HTML. HTML is the stands for hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language in the sense, take an example. If any company, some top level employees there, middle level employees there, and low level employees there. Low level have any problem, ask to middle level employee, and middle level employee have any problem, if there any problem, they ask to top level employee, and this top level employee asks any problem or solving situation to the CEO or boss of this company. So who are the boss? Boss is the sense browser. Browser in the sense display the HTML tags but use them to render the content of the web pages. Then this browser is the CEO of this company. Okay, means company in the sense web is the web is a company, and this company browser in the is the CEO. Okay, and HTML is the top level employee. So top level employee help to browser to display the content in web. Okay, and the HTML pages ends with or save with, but by .html or .htm. I'll tell you after some time. Maximum user, 90% user know .html extension, but I will tell you .htm also used for saving any HTML file. So HTML elements are represented by tags. So what are tags? I'll tell you after this slide. So HTML is the basic need of making a web pages, and important that HTML is not case sensitive, because if you doing upper cases, lower cases, there is no problem. So I will tell you, I suggest you use lower level, because after future you in your future it is helped you to making some website, not only HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Bootstrap, Max. When you start those learning, then lowercase is used for very much. That's why I suggest you use lowercase in HTML. So HTML tags have several type of tags. I will tell minimum 5 to 6 tags, but those are the basic tags of HTML. What is doc type? Doc type defines the document type of your pages. Means if you're doing any web page, first to make a document, and on this document you can create your tags. So that's why we always mention it is all document type, and this document type is not required for mention, but we are the web developer, right? So we need to mention it is a doc type, because when our teacher, when our future our manager, our boss, when saw our pages, then they are understand that it is a doc type file, and we use HTML for web pages. What is HTML? HTML, I will tell you what is HTML, but HTML is the tag to define the HTML document. Means and another option is there, when you use any tags. So open tag also use there, and close tag also use there. When you use HTML open, this is open tag, okay. So another also is there, it is close tag. I will tell you after one slide. So we know, understand what is why use HTML tag. So now we understand head tag. Head is the main or basic means high definition need of HTML web pages. HTML use head tag because head tag is collecting or metadata information of the document. What is the metadata? Meta is the data about data. Take one example. My name is Saurabh Chatterjee. Who I am, I already mentioned who I am, and this information is the data, and this data called metadata. And what is information? Information as the same like data, like what is my age, what is my motherland, what is my mother tongue. Those are the information of mine. So those are the information held using head tag, and this head tag contain specific information about the web pages. And this information includes things like title of the document, scripts, metadata, CSS file, JavaScript file, Bootstrap file, all the information collect in head file. And after this head file we use title. Title in the sense make a title of the document. Means when we save any document, we make one name, right? And this name is called title, and this title save in title tag. H1 to H6. H1 to H6 is the heading of the HTML. Means I will show you what is H1, what is H6. So those are the headings. Heading means headings is size is big, small size is there, medium size is there, normal medium is there. Those are the heading. I will tell you what is H1, what is H6, why H3, H4, H5. So that is the defined headings of the documents. So we are the newcomers, right? So there is lots of text editors there. Those are the Sublime Text, Atom Text Editor, PyCharm, Notepad++, Visual Studio, and lots of. So we are the newcomers, for that's why you use starting Notepad. I think we all have laptop or desktop or PC. So those are Notepad. Notepad is the standard text editor that comes with the Microsoft Windows operating system. Notepad used for HTML, Python, Java, C, C++, all those things. And this Notepad we use for understand the basic of HTML. After we understand the basic of the HTML tag, then I will go for any text editor. So without any investing in time, let's begin. Basic template of the layout. For understanding the HTML, first I understand what is the template of the HTML. So I'll tell you what is document. Document the whole document of the HTML. HTML using for connecting the HTML to the web. And this language means what type of language you use. I will tell you after some time. Head is the heading of the HTML. On this heading, meta is the some information collecting on the head file. Those are the password or hiding data, CSS data, JavaScript data, Bootstrap data. Those data collected in a head file. And on this head file, some title we will make. This title is my first web page. Okay, or we can create here. HTML is there, HTML is there, head is there, head is there, body is there, body is there, title is there, title is there. On this title tag we make a title here, and body we make a body. Body is the sense we when we write a letter, that time we make a body, means what we tell to our other person. These are the body means we write something. Web based content goes here. Okay, and this P, I will tell you what is P is the sense paragraph. You will see that all are open tag and also close tag, open tag, close tag, open tag, close tag, title, open tag, close tag. So why meta is the open tag but not close tag? I will tell you, this is the inline tag, and head, title, body, P means paragraph, those are the block level tag. I will tell you what is block level tag and inline tag. So I will go now HTML text editor. On this lecture I will tell you some shortcut key use here. I'll think you will help here for making a web page or making to solve this lecture. You create a folder in your desktop. So I will create a folder, that is front and or front hyphen or underscore. Front end is okay, no problem. Front end, enter. On this front end we make a text editor, means a new file. I will create here. Why? Because for understanding, that is the text file, right? On this text file we will make a web page. For use for first doc type. You saw that it is one open braces and also close braces. On HTML, enter head, and you see that here is no one you help you, only notepad you write. This is the platform you write and you also solve. That's why I tell you first understand, then you use any text editor. If you first use text editor, then you will did not understand what I use of that. Lecture is I think is lots of take lots of time, but you understand lots of things here. That's why it is a long time. All tags have open braces and close braces, and Why I use tab? This is called indent. Indent in the basic means features of HTML. If you're not making indent, then you don't understand further what I use HTML. Where I use some means hodgepodge is there. So I use a h1 here. H1 in the sense making heading file is bigger. That is my first web page. Save it. Where I save? On my front end file, and this is called web.htm. Here I use, you saw that htm I use. Why HTML? You can first understand what is HTML is working or not, then I understand HTML. So how you create means how you saw, go to the file and right click here, open or open with Google Chrome. You saw that HTML is working, and use that is the URL of our document, and that is the title of our document, and it is the body of our document. You for understanding, right click here, inspect here, and if you go to HTML, why use blue circle? That is our HTML, that is no head file, that is head file, but on this title no blue circle is coming because it is the upside of URL. And on this body my first web. Why blue circle? Because it's on the body. So h1, if we want to change here, or no problem. So use understand how you use HTML. So HTML also use, and now I changing now. So we create my first web page, means normal HTML page. So now I use a normal text editor. Use Sublime Text. I already tell you how you download. So if you're not showing, go to Chrome browser, search Sublime Text. 3 is the new version of Sublime Text. So go to Sublime Text and Sublime Text 3, then download Sublime Text. I think you are not showing properly. There is maximum version of build is there. OX means Windows, whatever version, Windows 64. I'll tell you, if you have Windows 64, then go for here. If you have Linux, then go for here. If you OX certain version, that is go for here. So I already downloaded, so I will start. So go to the file section, open folder where you make the folder, take there, and I will create there in desktop front end. That is my folder. Select folder and collect the before Sublime Text, and you will use near. For using new folder, use Ctrl+N, making the new folder of HTML. So I will already create web HTML. So how we see here the doc time. Okay, so I will delete it. Now you see, and if you want to change the indent on the website, then Control Shift and P and use R only, and this is see indentation, re-indent lines only, enter, then show all the changes. Okay, save it, and here also right click, open browser. My 5 fast web pages is coming. So now we change my 5 fast web page, very small, right? So now I will change. Here I use to increase the size. How you increase? Go to the section and change h, use h6. Okay, and here when you write h, then max you saw all function is coming. So without in writing, you go here, enter it, and after enter it you saw that close pressure also coming, no need to write. Okay, right, this is front end, right? So write front end dev. So enter, save it, and right click, or on, if you not want to right click, then go for browser and recheck it. Then saw that it is very small. Okay, front end developer is very small. So h1 is the big size of web pages, and h6 h1 the h6 is a very small. Okay, what is h2 h3? I'll tell you. H2, okay, then h3, then h4, then h5. H, why use h is the heading. Okay, then it is the heading 1, the heading 3, is the heading 4, it is the heading 5. Okay, it is the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and it is the heading 6. Now we save it and refresh it. You can see here it is a heading 1, it is heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5. After heading we will create paragraph. Okay, so making paragraph, use p character or p tag. Okay, here you saw that I only write p, no use of tag. If we use p and use tab, suddenly p tag is working. So how you write maximum, you also use like that, but here I tell you, enter it and write. Lorem is the normal paragraph use of Savlan test. Maximum time use, you want a paragraph to show the website. That time you don't have internet connection, so use Lorem. Lorem, how you use Lorem? Write LOREM, then only tab. Tab in the sense how many lines you have, you create here. Okay, then save it. Okay, after saving it, right click here, then show the difference of the paragraph. Paragraph is in the sense it is use here, close here, did not have use extra line, extra size, or no any indentation. This is the paragraph. If I use LOREM 30 lines, then maximum how I use, then again refresh. You also refresh from F5 option. F5 option also used for refreshing. Then it is, there is no paragraph. So how you refresh? Normal F5 option. Then see the difference. Okay. After paragraph, I delete it. I'll tell you how comment use in HTML. Okay. Comment use here, like here. So wave d, I write normally, then close that, then save it. You saw that it is showing here but not showing in browser because it is comment, right? You saw that after your refreshment there is no changing. So how, that is the comment section. But I will tell you how you use without any mouse. Copy from here or drag from here and from here, from there. only that, and control slash, then you saw that it is uh, comment section, convert to comment section. No use of any mouse, no use of anything. Drag here and control slash button, all comment is there. Okay, then you write center tag. All tag has different name or different character, so why use center? Those are the left element, left align. Okay, so I want to align those thing in center. How is those thing? By use center tag. So better to make a space, center, copy from here, and paste it here, and also you write this is my center page. Save it, and you saw the changes here. This is my center page. So first use center tag, use the center page. Okay, so we done the paragraph header. Okay, so now I'll go how make center. Okay, so make center, right click here, open browser, then show the all are in center. How you create it? Make center here and all the content under center, then all the content under center. Now you will use break. You saw that there is a 3 paragraph, right? Here is the first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph. So you delete it here. Okay, and you combine first or second paragraph. So if we refresh it, that all are in same paragraph. I think you are not showing H1. You saw the content H1. So there is, you saw that it is one line, right? So how use break it without making paragraph? Use only break keyword. Okay, now you saw the line. What is break keyword? You saw that there is 2 paragraph, but there is no use of paragraph, use only break keyword. So breaking the line. So you want to separate the line. How you separate? Use of HR. HR is the one type of tag, that HR only. Okay, save it, then use that separate. After you click it, and you saw that separate line, that separate the first paragraph and second paragraph. Okay, then now use abbreviation code. Abbreviation means ABBR. Okay, abbreviation code. So you know that World Health Organization is the short form of WHO. Now done it. Okay, abbreviation in the sense you know that WHO. Okay, so what is WHO? That is World Health Organization. How you saw it? But control save it, and you saw the changes. Okay, it is dot line is there. What is dot line? This dot line is showing that some information under this information, that is World Health Organization. You can create another also, ABBR. Okay, and to title, make a title in the sense making the name of that hypertext transfer protocol. Okay, that is the full form of HTML. That is the HTML. Okay, refresh it, and you saw the changes. HTML also a dot dot line. So you know how to break it. How to break it? By use of break keyword. Okay. Now uh, so now use address tag. So what is address tag? So for address tag use for mentioning the address. So sometimes you write a mail or write a story, write a page, and under on this page story or anything you make a address. By address tag you saw the changes. Okay. So how to indent? Control Shift P. Okay. Then see the changes. So why use href? Href, I will tell you what is href. I saw the changes now, then I will tell you. Then see, written by Saurabh, visit a selector for you, electro4.com. This is the address. This changes, no use of any style, any font, only use of address. Okay. I also use break. Okay. After address, I tell you what is href. Href is the hyper reference. Ref is the sense reference. Hash is the sense URL. Okay, means is showing the URL. Why you saw the changes? Here is my name is blue. Why is blue? There is use of hash keyword. Ref is the reference. I will tell you what is the reference of use. Making a new page, Control N, that is save it by second.html. First we use HTML, that is and second is HTML. Save it and only use HTML. Tab it, that you saw the changes all are coming in Sublime Text. Make as changes. This is my second page. Okay. Make some changes. H1. This is my second page. Okay. So you saw the changes here. This is my second page. Okay. So how to connect web HTML to second HTML? So now connect here. A in the sense attribute. Okay. Here I mention my web HTML. Web dot htm is the or HTML. Okay. Why HTML or why use here? Because it is the hyper reference. I saw the changes. If I refresh it, okay, sorry, make a name here. On this click me, you saw the changes. On this click me, it is showing blue color, and on if you click that one, go to HTML file, first HTML file. Then click me option is there. Okay. So if you want to go first page, then go to click HTML, click here, and if you want to come again second page, then again use second HTML. So you saw that some changes I write here. What is the changes? That is A means attribute. href is the hyper reference. What is the reference? First reference is web.html, second reference second.html. So why are you sorry? So if you save it and reconnect it, so what is the changes? So if you want to go to first page, click here, then saw the my first page. Okay. then click here. If you want to go second page, then it is my second page, so there is no changing. Okay, so I click here, copy it, and so if I press it, go to second page, click here. Okay, so if you go to first page, click here, go to second page, click here. So now I make another some attribute. After some attribute or some after some time, I give you assignment. Sometime maximum user did not want to change the line, means I make a line function. This is my first web page. This is my second page. This is my third page. So without any paragraph tag, without any HR tag, without any break tab, how you not changing anything? Use a pre-reverse tag. Okay, pre, close here and close here. Save it. Control save P for indentation. It is connecting. Okay, then refresh it. Okay, sorry, go to my first page and check it the reference. This is my first web page, this is my second page, this is my third page, without any paragraph, without any break, without any HR tag. So use PRE to same as it is. Okay, now I click all. Okay, and comment it. Now make another change. How to comment? Control dot slash, this changes. After that I will go make a line. This is, or you copy from here. Copy from here, paste it, remove HR. I'll tell you another option. I think you are interested. HTML. HTML help you lots of things for understanding the web page. So this is the normal page. Okay, if you control save it, if you write it, there's only simple line or it is on center. But if you want to change the normal text to bold means size big, B tag only, use here. You saw the changes. This is the bold, without any changing, only B is used for bold. Now I saw how to use image, only image tag. What is resource? SRC. SRC is the source of the file. So how to add? So I already add some picture in my folder. You can add also some folder and rename the picture, because you it is help to make changes. So that is 1 2 3 4 5, some JPG picture is there. So why use resource source? Here I use 1.jpg. Okay, why JPG? JPG is the format of the picture. Okay, or you can see it, save it and see it what is the changes of here. This is the my 1.jpg. It is very increasing size, right? So how to change this normal? Length is, height is 100 pixel. Use pixel or percent, no problem. Width also 100 pixel. Okay, save it, run it. That is 100 pixel, 100 pixel. Okay. For your help, I will side by side. That is your help. You also changing side by side. You also taking help from here. Okay, side by side. Okay. So now you saw the image. Now use video. Okay. So how to use video file? Uh, Already we are making center. Only use video. Okay. On this video, so we create video, right? So how to add any video file here? On this video file we delete all here. Okay, or shift A, this is help to delete all. Okay, delete all. Here is you saw that control shift P and then relation. On this video, how to add source file, means resource where you save the file. I have already one file have, it is video1.mp4. okay, and we play it. How to play it? By source tag, source tag. You can click here. My video name is video1.mp4. okay, mp4 is the extension. What is the type? Is the video type. You can also doing that, or video. Okay, save it or run it. How to play that? My video is size big, very big. Okay, so if we refresh it, that you saw there is nothing will change. So why it is not matching? We have video but we did not control it. Means height, I will tell you, without height it is not showing. 5 or 500 pixel, or width also, with it also 300 pixel. Okay, 300 pixel. And use controls. Control use for control the video. Okay, then if you refresh the button, you saw that some changes coming. After open this video is working. Okay, it's also showing up down the size. Okay, picture in picture you can use. Okay, only use a video tag. Okay, some changes if you want to change. It is showing. Now I use audio. Okay, audio is there. So how use same like video, source tag. Okay, so here I already save one audio file, that is audio1.mp3. how to play in web without playing here? If I play here, double click, it will play, but how I play in our web? So same like audio, source. Okay, name audio.mp3. Same like audio. Okay, mp3, and in on audio, that is called control. Okay, controls, save it and run it. You saw that some audio file is there. Okay, So student, if you have any problem, please ask me. I'll tell you my mail address in my my description. You can ask me any problem, I will tell you, and you can also mail me with your mail address. I will tell the answer of your doubt. Okay. Maximum, there is lots of tag are used. So this is the basic tag of HTML. So I will give one assignment, so complete it and send me my on my mail address. If any problem is there, please tell me. And I think HTML is very is easy to understand. All students use it, and Sublime Text used for understand those things. Okay. So till now you understand so many items or so many tags in HTML. Today is my lecture of HTML. So hope you understand the lecture what in HTML. If you not understand, please comment me. I will teach you next lecture. So welcome to all my new lecture. That is with table. What is table and how much tags in under table? Today we will learn. Okay. So till now what we understand? Empty elements, paragraph, headings, list, image and normal links. What is empty elements? Empty elements in the sense break in the sense a empty element, no element is under this element. What is paragraph? Paragraph is P capital or small, no problem, it is not conscience. You under I hope you know that HTML is no case sensitive, so it is paragraph. Tag, heading tag is H1 to H6. H means headings. Okay. List is three types. List is unordered list, ordered list and list item. List item in the sense what is the item list is there and under list. Okay. And after that why you understand what is image and how to create image with A braces. That is called A. It is called links. Under links we create image. Okay. How to create image? By inserting image from your browser, from your folder and those things. So that is a simple HTML tag what I learned last lecture. This HTML tag, head tag, HTML title tag. Under title some title is there. It is called markup element. And under that body, what is the body? Under body, learning about elements. Break is the empty element. It is fun to write HTML is normal. What you want to write here. Okay. And after that close the HTML and that's it. And after that what I learned? We learn input in the sense when you make a form or make a username page or password page or registration page, login page, those things, that time we use form, and under form use label or input, both are used. Okay. So input tag specify input field where the user can enter data. The input element is the most important from element. Input elements can be displayed in several ways depending on the type of attribute what you want to add the from, that is needed about up to you. Okay. Like username, password, age, email, means check boxes, random boxes and those things. Then after that label is the same like input, but it is not regularity. Label maximum user not use label, use input. So last lecture did not tell you what is label. So label is the normal form based one type of tag in HTML that is used to make a form in HTML, and this form label also used for make a registration page, login page. It is also simple, but when you make a future goal or future website, that time label is not work participant label. That time you use input. That's why I did not tell about label. So after that today I start tables in HTML. So what is tables? Table in the sense I think you know in when you make a C program, C++ program, that time you know what is tables. Collection of rows and columns. It HTML tables also same. HTML table allow app developer to arrange data into rows and columns. How much? How? By tr tag, th tag, td tag. Td means table data, t means table row and th means table heading. Okay. And table is start from table tag and close also table tag. And HTML table may also some another option is caption, color, t head, t foot. Head means t header, t foot means t footer, t body means t body, and t means table. And how to write like that? I saw you after this lecture, after this slide, how to write in HTML. So what is the mean of basic mean of HTML? The TD elements are regular to left aligned, means that is TD, right? TD element always regulating by left aligned, and TH elements are bold and centered. TH means it is table heading. I think you are not understand now. When I make a example, that time you understand. And on this table I saw you to tell you how to design, like color changing, background changing, image changing, that I tell you. Okay, you also use CSS, but till now we are understand HTML, that's why we tell about what is HTML. And this is the basic HTML table. Okay, first I tell you the example, after tell you how to write. Okay, this basic HTML table. What is basic HTML table? Jill, one type of name is there. Jill, last name is Smith, age is 50. You saw that the first name is center, last name also center, age also center, but the table data is left aligned. Why? I tell you now. TD used for left aligned element. Jill, Eve, John, Smith, Jackson, Doe is the last name, that's the first name, and age is 50, 94, 80. Simple as HTML table is there. You first understand this output, then I will tell you what is the input. Okay, and that's also same. It's also a month is, I tell you that time, that is a month is table heading, right? And January is the table data. Saving is the table heading. 100 is table data. Like that. Table data is 100. February table data is 50. Okay. And monthly saving is the table heading of all the table. Okay. And that's the you understand that this is H1, that is H4. Okay. And that's also same, but it is under when you make CSS or make some style, that time you look like that. It is a gray color, it's a gray color, it's a gray color, and company is the table heading, contact table heading, country is the table heading. Okay, so now we understand input. Okay, so you make now HTML page, you understand that. So make a control new, already I said, control save it on my folder what I start last day. Here my save what is when front end. Okay, make a tables. When you save first tables now, that time you save it by tables. Use as, because it is table is always make some extra value, not only single value. Okay, tables dot html. Now HTML, the font. Last lecture one user tell me that font size is very slow, that's why. Now is a title is basic HTML, HTML table. Okay, under body make one center is better, make a center, under center tag make one h1 HTML table, HTML basic table format. Save it and run it. How to run? You say that it is working. Okay, so I want to change the color, bg color is red. Save it and run it. Just understand that is red, color is red. Change also you like that brown or when you make now, because each one also black size. So how to write changes means any color. How to change the color? Like go to Google color picker. Okay, any color are there. So how to change here? By choose any color from here or here. It is okay. So how to change? Like has F59178. Copy here and paste here. Save it and you saw the changes. You saw the changes. Okay. Now make a table. How to make a table? Like make a table format. Okay, under table make a so you type here style is width 100 pixel, okay, and height is 100 pixel. Okay, now refresh it. You saw the changes, but until now we not understand here. So border 1 pixel black, 1 pixel solid black. Okay, save it, run it. So the changes is 1 pixel solid black. Okay, so after that make a table row, because it is another row is there. This row save the only table heading. Okay, Control Shift P. Okay, this is another table. Save it and select first and refresh it. There is no changing. Okay, refresh it again, no changing. So I can make another row, table row. Okay, so make it GIL, then again table data. You saw that when I make one single table data, that is showing first name. Now make a table data is last name. Okay, it is Smith, SMITH. Now refresh it. What you saw, this last name is Smith, and now age. Okay, that is 60 or 50, anything what you want. Now refresh it. So the changes like that. Same, make another table row. Okay, copy from here is better to do. The name and new name is there. EVE Jackson 9478, anything what you want. Then copy paste here. Okay, is John JOHN. Okay, that is DOE. What you why I same like PDF, because for your understand I like same. Okay, and save it and refresh it. You saw the changes. Okay, now you understand what is table data. Okay, now I changes some border is 2 pixel. changes is 2 pixel black. Okay, it is if you want to 5 pixel, you show the changes is 5 pixel. Okay, so on this table how to make center. Okay, here till now and paste it here. Okay, save it, run it. And if you understand, for your understanding, I increase the font size. This is HTML basics table. That is the first name, last name, each same like what you told is Jill Smith and H. Okay, that is because it is first name is center, last name is center, that's why it is coming. If you understand like that same, so I write here. So for it is a basic HTML table. Okay, already I save it, so did not want to save again. So now next table, it is extra advanced table. Okay, so it is a next, this is a first example. Now I go to for example 2. Okay, cell that span 2 columns. Okay, so what is span? So Control N, save it first. Table 2.html. Okay, save it and HTML. Okay, not on want to title again. Not want to make a title, then delete the head. Okay, because it is a simple. Now we understand. Which is H1. H1. H1 is cell that span columns. Okay, this H1. That's why I'll make H1. Then make a paragraph. Okay, this paragraph I use lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum. Okay, then after that I will make table. So after refresh it, open in browser. Okay, then you saw that it is a lorem sum h1 h, it is paragraph. Okay, after that make a table. For making a table I will make it center. So you saw that it is center. Okay, so and I make this table on under center. Okay, so first make a table. What you want it, make a table here. Under this table make a table heading, or sorry, make a table row. Under this row make a table heading. Under this table make a name. Another one is, so after that name make a table is telephone. Okay, so I refresh it, save it and refresh it here. You saw the changes, name and telephone. Okay, after that make another row. Under this that table data. Okay, or table cell you can say it is Bill Gates. This table data make Bill Gates. After that, TD again. And under this table data, it is anything 5, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7. And table data, anything you can write, delete I. Okay. So you saw that some mistake is there. What is mistake? Bill Gates, okay, no problem. Its name, under name, Bill Gates coming. But telephone, two telephone is coming. So how to make one telephone is there? By this calling call span, means column span. Okay, COL you save is what, how much is 2. You can saw that this telephone is 2. Okay, so after that on this table tag make a style. Okay, it is what is border 1 pixel solid black. Okay, then border collapse. Border collapse is make some space. Okay, this collapse. Okay, save it and run it. Now understand the changes. Okay, same like style border collapse, copy here under this table heading, paste it here. Copy from here till now. Okay, copy after that, copy paste here. Okay, after call span make some style here, same like that, paste it here, and after that paste it here, paste it here, same like here, save it and refresh it. Now understand the changes. Name is Bill Gates, telephone is something, telephone is something. Okay, so for your understanding, so why you make again and again same thing? That's why I style make, after that make heading here. After that make style tag here. Okay, no use of CSS, without CSS style here. Okay, what I write here like style border 1 collapse, copy from here, cut it and table. Okay, we make table here, no classes, no ID, heading, table data. Okay, what I copy, cut it here, paste it here. Okay, and delete that. Again same from here, but here I call span because 2 number is there. Okay, if you want to write 3 write, no problem. Save it. Okay, and what I write here, same like here, table THDT under this table. Okay, you saw the changes is same, no changes there. Okay, because no pixel, 1 pixel solid block. So same like that, no changes there. Okay, because save it and refresh it. You saw the changes, no changes there. Okay, if you want to increase the size, but same is there. Name is Bill Gates. Telephone is two type of telephone is there. Till now we understand two or three example in table, but now we understand how to use caption in table. What is caption? Caption is the sense. Caption tag defines a table caption. The caption tag must be inserted immediately after table tag. Means caption was on one type of headings on the table. How to write? Now I show you. Okay. Take this example. Okay. This center no problem. Under center, make a caption. Okay. Caption in the sense one type of heading. Okay. It is you say form of users. Okay, save it and then run it. That is the form of user. Okay, after that take caption, no changes there, cut from here. Okay, after table tag, when you start table tag, means here use table tag. Okay, cut table tag here. Okay, make caption here, form of, save it, then refresh it. Okay, you saw the changes. Form of user is one type of caption. After that, ev is the first name. I think I remove the name. Now I again start. You better understand. I will show again and again. I think you understand so much till now. If name short form, again th is l name. Then again th, that is age. Okay, save it and refresh it here. So saw the changes. Form of user is the one type of heading or one type of caption in table. And then f name is that is the 2 f name, l name 2 l name, and age is 2 age. Okay, so that is the caption format. For your better understanding, I will show a very nice nice format. So how to make? Delete all, or make a style tag here under heading tag. Remove style.css. Make a style tag under heading tag. Then again table, th means table heading, or tt means table data. Okay, under table data you write border 1 pixel solid black. Then again border collapse. Border collapse in the sense use some space, or border spacing you also use, no problem. Collapse, that is only write collapse. Okay, then save it and again refresh it. You saw the changes. Okay, form of user is the heading of the caption. Okay, that is the use of caption. If I increase the size, you understand so much. Sometimes some of the user want to want to a caption under the table. So how to make under the table? Go to the coding. Okay, when you make the caption, okay, right here style. Okay, then again caption side or caption side. Okay, then bottom, bottom. Okay, then save it. For the changes now. Why? You saw the changes. Form of user is the under the table. Okay, so that is the use of caption. Caption use for heading, you and use for the table, bottom the table, left side, right side. For your, till now we understand that bottom is work from is under the table. Okay, so this is the same case of bottom or caption. So I think you understand what is caption, how to use caption, how to change the styles, caption side or caption color. If you want to change the color, you change color here, your color. like red. Yes, it. You saw the changes. The color is red. Same like this is a caption. So till now we understand what is caption. Now we understand what is call group. Call group in the sense it is one type of tag in a table that specify a group of one or more columns in a table for same formatting. The call group tag is useful for applying styles to entire columns instead of repeating the styles for each cell or each row. So how to make, you saw the first example. The call group element. What is call group element? It is a one type of row, right? ISBN is a table heading, title is the table heading, and price also table heading. What you saw that that tag specific group of one or more columns. What I said, it's means we saw that table heading one means table heading one and table heading two are same color. Call group used for changing the color is red. Okay, changing the color is red, and in the price you saw that the changing color is only yellow. So how to make useful for applying styles for entire columns. Okay, we use entire columns. Okay, so this column means title column, my first HTML, my first CSS is the one column, ISBN is the one column, and price is the one column. But in this row, but row is not same color. Why? For row is not used for table group. Okay, only column group we use tag in a table. Okay, that's why one column is same color, title also same color, price also same color. Now I understand with the example. What I write, make column group. Okay, make COLGROUP column group. Okay, after column group, okay, what I write, COL. Okay, COL, after call span 2. Span in the sense space some space. Okay, span 2. So after span 2, make some style. For your understanding is better to you. For style tag, write background color. Okay, or background color. Background color. Background color. What is background color? Changing the background color is red. Okay, as it is what I saw showing you, as it is I write here. Okay, same is save here. So call span again, new call, that is for why, because we is changing the color. Call span. Okay, after call same right but not span 2 or span 3, only style tag, background color, bg color or bg color, background color is yellow. Okay, save it and remove one or same. Right here, right click here, open in browser, you saw the changes. F name is red, L name is red, age is 78, 18 is in yellow. Now I understand red is span 2, right? Span 1. Save it and refresh it. What we saw, L name is 1, F name is red, and age is same. That is the cases. What I saw you, same I write. Span means how many column, how many tables, how many row you want. That is use of span. If you write 3 means all column take it. Okay, because three column is there. Save it and refresh it. What I saw, all column is red. Okay, we want only 2 or 1. Okay, refresh it again. We saw the changes. Okay, use of color group. So till now we understand so many things in tables. Now I give you one assignment for you. I think you will understand till now so many things. If you not understand, please comment me or ask me anything for next lecture. I will solve the your problem. Okay, so this assignment depend upon only table in HTML. Okay, so hope you interested to do this assignment. If you do this assignment, please send to my email address or tell me in comment box. Okay. That is the your assignment, means make a table heading, table caption. How to make, I don't know. I already tell you how to make. How to change the color, for your understanding I already tell. Okay, uh, change the color 1 2 3 4. Okay, and change the color column also, row also. Okay, that's your exercise. Please do this assignment for your understand. If you are doing the assignment, I think you are better in HTML table. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys, see you in next lecture.